Now let's see how you can connect your projector to the internet / Wi-Fi. For that, you would need to go to settings. The first option, network. The moment you click on it, make sure that the toggle is on. Then you would see a list of all the available networks here. If for example I click on any one of them, a pop-up will be there that would ask me to enter the password. So I'll have to enter the password here with whatever the password is of the Wi-Fi. The moment I enter it, I would need to connect to, I would need to click on done and then connect. Since the password is incorrect, it is not connecting, but this is the procedure. Now let's see how you can connect an external device to the projector via Bluetooth. I have a speaker here. I'll connect it and show you how it is done. I'll go to the settings first. I'll click on Bluetooth. I'll see a list of all the available devices. Now this device comes by the name of SoundDrum. I'll click on confirm. It's paired.
You are now connected to your SoundDrum 1.
This projector comes with auto keystoning. Like for example, if I move its face a bit upwards, it will automatically adjust the keystoning like this. We recommend keeping this projector at auto keystoning mode only, but if you feel that it needs some major fixing, then you can go to settings. You will see an option here with the name manual keystone correction. Click on it and here you can fix to whatever angle you like it on. I guess it looks good to me now, and then I'll just come back and it's fixed.